Hi, I'm Adele Oprica. I'm a senior art major at Davidson College, and today I'll be giving you a tour through my studio. So just an overview about the type of art that I've been working on. I've been making a lot of drawings recently on Yupo paper, and I've been mixing soil with gum arabic and using that as a mixture to apply onto the papers and then drawing back into them with natural ink. I'm interested in the combination of synthetic materials and natural materials, seeing how they can coexist with each other in a way that doesn't feel harsh. So one experience that really helped influence my artistic practice was going abroad to the Berlin College of Art junior fall. There was a scrap room with extra materials that you could use for free. And in that room there was a can of black gesso paint, so I started using that just as a cheap option, but then I found out that it actually worked really well with the ideas that I was thinking about. A lot of the smaller drawings that I've been making, I've kept them at this small size because the expansive landscapes that I'm drawing compared to the small size of the artwork is kind of like you're peering into this world. And to me that relates to my title, Glimpse of the Earth. Humans on the whole are here for such a short time, and each of our lives is really just like a glimpse and like a peer into what the earth is like, and we're here and we're not here. Being in the presence of an expansive ocean or at the edge of a ridge, you're kind of at the mercy of these larger geographical features.